Welcome to our channel Right Click Education. In today's video, we will learn how we can implement Angular material input. So input is basically used in the forms where if you want to do some input, uh, you can enter from your keyword. So let's get straight back to the implementation. So first open Angular Material official website. Go on material.angular.io. Click on components. Inside component, if you see in the side neighbor, there are a lot of Angular, Angular material elements. Okay. So we will today learn about the input. So let's click on input here. So first, let me show you how input looks like in Angular material implementation. If you see here, mat input is a directive that allows native input and text area element to work with mat form field. It means whenever you are trying to use input or text area, okay, so you need to have mat form, and inside mat form you can use these two types of mat input, that is input and text area. Okay, so if you see, right, this is an input box. We can write whatever we want, suppose right click. So this is kind of input that you want to do from your keyword. Okay, so in Angular material we will try to implement this input. So in order to do that, click on API, copy this import mat input module, go to your VS Code, go to app.module.ts, paste it here, copy this mat input module, come under the import section. In the import section, paste that mat input module. So now as we have imported the mat input module, we can implement the HTML. So let's do that. What I will do, input, okay, input, suppose type I will give as text. Okay, and let's see, let's try to run it. And so it will take a couple of seconds to compile and run the application. So let's wait a bit. It has started compiling. So as it compiles, let's go to our Chrome and open localhost 4200. So localhost 4200. If you see, this is a input box, right? But it has no material thing inside it, right? Now let's try one more thing. So this input is this. What we will do, we will just add one property, that is mat input. Okay. Now let's see how it looks like. No change is there, right? Even though we have done this mat input thing. Why it's not showing any change? Because as I said earlier also, it should be inside mat form. Okay, so let's go to the official website, go to the example, click on view code, click on any of the HTML thing. If you see here, right, they have put mat form field, and inside that mat form field they have this input field, right? So what we will do, we will just copy this mat form field and go here, paste it, and inside this mat form field we need to put this input. Okay, so this is mandatory thing that you need to do. Okay, now and also I will put appearance fill. Okay, let's go to your RUI. Now you can see, right, this material input box has been implemented, right? So this is how you can implement the mat input. But now what we will do, we will implement text area. Let's suppose we implement text area, and let's see how it looks like. So let's see. So it's saying unexpected character EOF. Okay, now if you see, right, this text area is also implemented, right? Anything you can try into it. Okay, so in this way you can implement the input and text area. Now let's also take a look what all other things about the input here. So first thing, we saw that in order to implement the input you need to put it inside the mat form field. Okay, now we also want to see this text, what is difference between basically text area and this input, right? So you can also uh, control the sizing of text area. Okay, so uh, that's the main difference between input and text area. So you have implemented it. Let me also show one more thing. So if you want here, you can change the appearance to outline. Okay, and let's go back to here, and you can see it's box like, right? So you can uh, mm, style it uh, in the way you want. So this is how we implement Angular material input, and we use frequently this input in our mat form uh, to take the input from user. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks. Have a nice day.